welcome to our channel. Today we've got a mouth-watering treat for you, a recipe for keto candied pecans. So let's dive into this irresistible keto-friendly snack. Ingredients: 4 cups pecans, either raw or roasted will work, 1 egg white or 45 ml liquid egg, 1 TB water, 15 drops SweetLeaf Sweet Drops, and half cup Swerve brown, lightly packed 75 to half cup, Purcane sweetener, on and file SCF ask, 1 TSP ground cinnamon. Is in a bowl, whisk together the egg white, water, and sweet drops until foamy. The foamier the better for getting the candy shell on your pecans. Mix the egg white foam with pecans until all of the pecans appear coated. Put the Swerve brown, Purcane sweetener, sea salt, and cinnamon in a bowl or large measuring cup and whisk until fully combined and mix the coated pecans. Preheat oven to 275. Spread pecans in a single layer on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper or a silicone mat. Bake the pecans for 1 hour, rotating the pan and stirring the pecans every 15 minutes. Allow the pecans to cool for at least 2 hours so they can crisp up. Store in a Ziploc bag with a desiccant packet to keep them crunchy. Ready to shed those extra pounds and reclaim your confidence. Discover the proven secrets to natural weight loss and say goodbye to stubborn belly fat for good. Click the link in the video description below to access our exclusive guide and start your journey to a healthier, happier you. Don't wait, your transformation begins now. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like